Hello, good morning students. So today we will be learning about linear equations in two variables, right? So this is a small part of your algebra syllabus, only two chapters from algebra in class 9th, that is polynomials and this linear equation in two variables, right? So you must have read linear equation in one variable in class 8. Now this is just an extension linear equation in two variables, right? So let's get started. So firstly, the word linear equation, because the name given is linear equation, there must have been some thinking behind it, and if everyone gets a name, there should be some meaning behind it. So linear equation, right? So you must have solved equations like this: 2x plus 6 is equal to 0, right? So you told Ketcha 6 will go that side, so it will become minus 6, x equal to minus 6, 2 is multiplied with x, it gets divided, you'll get minus 3. So x equal to minus 3 is a solution of 2x plus 6 equal to 0. This method was called as transposition method. You transposed either from left to right, right to left, and you got your answers, right? The same way, why it is called a linear equation? So firstly, as you can see the word equation, equation mein there is a word comes from it, it is equate, or you can say equal to, right? So if the polynomial has the equal to sign with it, the expression or the polynomial is equal to something, then it becomes a equation, right? Only the equation. Now why linear? You read about degree, right? Degree you read, na? Highest power of the variable, highest power of the variable. Now in 2x plus 6 equal to 0, what you observed, what is the power of the variable? 1. Does it have any variable? Yes, variable x, then its power should be 0. The highest power of the variable is 1. I know you know this concept. 1 is x power 0, right? So highest power of the variable is 1. So we have read in polynomials, if the variable has highest power 1, it is called linear. That's why equation and linear. So it is called a linear equation. Now we also studied about variables. Variables are x, y, z, whose values keep on varying, whose values keep on changing. So thus these are variables. So when you had only one variable present in the equation, it was called as linear equation in one variable. Now here what we are having linear equation in two variables. Yes, we are having linear equation in two variables. So what will be an example? Like the example will be 2x plus 3y equal to 8 or something. Okay. Now what you observe over here, here you have two variables, right? But the power of both the variables is 1 only. So that's why first condition, power, which power? Highest power should be how much? Which is also called as degree, should be what? 1. किसके power? Variables के. The highest power of the variable should be 1. कभी भी 2, 3 नहीं होना चाहिए, then it won't be a linear equation. Next, there should be an equal to sign, then only it will be an equation. Clear? and two variables only, है ना? Clear? Or we can say exact two variables. Clear? Okay. So if you remember the general form of the polynomial, it was of the form a0xn plus a1 is right an, then an minus 1 x power n minus 1, like it went on, and it went to n minus n into x power n minus n. We have discussed these already in the polynomials, right? So this was there. Now it is linear, right? So the highest power of the variable will be 1. So ax, okay, then y, by, right, and 1 constant to 0. So this is the general form of linear equation in two variables, ax plus by plus c. If you can write any of the equation in this form, है ना? Do not forget this equal to. If you can write any equation in this form, then it becomes a linear equation. Okay? Now the question can be like 5x plus 3y equal to minus 2. You will say, no sir, 2 is not this side. Oh, so you can bring it that side. So you can bring it. It will be of this general form. Clear? 5x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Where, if you remember the terms, this is the variable x, this is the variable y, this is the constant term, this a is called what? The number which is multiplied with the variable, it is called coefficient of x. This is multiplied, it will be what? Coefficient of y. Clear? Right? Now very, very important thing. See, when you are writing the general form as ax plus by plus c equal to 0, of whom? Of a linear equation in two variables, then you can't say कि a is equal to 0. A can't be equal to 0. Also, b can't be equal to 0. Because if there are 0, then there won't be any variable. Because if a is 0, then we are left with only one variable. So it certainly is not two variable, it is only one variable. Clear? Also, if let b is 0, you are left with ax plus c only. There is no b, there is no y, because b is 0. So whenever you are writing the general form, you have to mention general form of the linear equation of two variables of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Remember this. So is it clear? So this is very important. Okay. Right? Clear? Now let's get back to the solution. Clear? So shall I erase it? Okay. Now what is the solution of linear equation. Equations have solution. Now what do you mean by solution? In polynomials we read 0, but here we are not saying zeros. Here we are saying solution, right? So what is a solution? You had 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Linear equation one variable. What was the solution? Right? The solution was that the value of x for which this will become equal to 0. This will equal to 0 because here we had to make LHS equal to RHS. Our main aim is this. For what value of x the LHS will be equal to RHS. Okay? Or the equation is satisfied. So we used to say solution of a linear equation refers to the value of the variable for which the equation is satisfied. Now satisfied means LHS becomes equal to RHS. You must have seen a beam balance, right? In the beam balance, unless the both are equal, it is not said to be satisfied. The same thing we have to do over here also. Here the LHS should be equal to RHS. Any value which does that will be my solution. Clear? So what will we put in here so that left side also becomes 0? So instead of x, if we put minus 2, so 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So minus 2 in place of x makes our LHS equal to RHS. You can solve by your transposition method also. 2x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. Clear? Now this was the case for one variable, but what about the solution of linear equation in two variables? What about that? There is a bit problem there, because here we have let 2x plus 4y equal to 8, right? Okay, so let's get back solving. Now we can say 8 minus 4y, x equal to, how will write, 8 minus 4y by 2. We didn't get any exact solution of x. We got the solution of x in terms of y, right? We got the solution of x in terms of y, right? So not exact solution we are getting by the transposition method, so obviously we can't apply it here. There should be some other method, right? So let's try our general method. Try putting values, and here also the same thing, the values of the variable, solution of linear equation to the value variable for which the equation is satisfied. Now here we have two variables, so we have to put the values of x also and y also to make it satisfied. Clear? So here if we put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1, if you put x equal to 2 and y equal to 1, will the equation be satisfied? Clear? Let's see. So in case of x, you put 2, we'll get 4, and then 4 plus 4 8. So left hand side equal to RHS, right hand side, right? So here the solution that you are getting is not only the value of x, but the value of x as well as value of y. This together makes a solution of the linear equation in two variables. Means the values of both the variables together are a solution. You can't say it 2, 3 is a solution. No, 2 with 1 only can give you the solution. If you put x in place of x2 and in place of y3, it won't be a solution of this equation. 2 and 1 together make a solution. Clear? So always remember, in linear equation of two variables, you have a solution which is the ordered pair. We studied in coordinate geometry ordered pair. This is what is ordered pair. But there is a rule in this bracket. You put a bracket. First write the x value and then the y value. In the English alphabet also, x, y, z, x comes first. The same way x will come first. You can't change the rule. It is a rule. It is a convention that everybody follows. So you will also follow the same. X will come first, then separated by a comma, then comes the y. So is it clear? Right? So this is how we will solve this. Clear or not clear? Right? So here you will get values of x as well as y. Right? So, but one more thing. Here putting x equal to 2, y equal to 1 gave us satisfied our equation. Can any other more values can satisfy this? Can some more values? We'll see that afterwards. Okay. Now there is a question. It is given. This question is based on finding the values of k. If x and y is solution of 2x plus 3y, so I have a linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Right? This is a linear equation. How to check? 1 over 1, 2 variables equal to sign. Check. It is a linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. Right? Clear? Understood? Okay. Now it is given x equal to 1 and alone x cannot be a solution of linear equation two variable. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 is a solution. So this means the solution is 1, 1, right? So what does the solution meant? Solution meant if you put in place of x the value of 1 and place of y the value of 1, the left hand side should be equal to right hand side. They both should be satisfied. That's what. So let's see. Left hand side we need to put. So left hand side we put, first we'll write putting the values of x and y in the equation. When it is clearly given that it is a solution, then you don't have to take any tension because it will satisfy, because it is already given that it is a solution. So we'll put 1 in place of x and 1 in place of y. This is my LHS. What will obtain? We'll obtain 2 plus 3. So we'll obtain 5. Because it was a solution, so this will be also equal to RHS. And what is RHS? RHS is K. So we got the value of K as 5. This is the way, right? So this is the way we will solve this question. K equal to 5. We got the value of 5. K, right? So it was given Kx and Y is the solution. United they stand. Alone X has nothing to do. Only when it is with Y, then only they complete a solution. Right? Okay. Now, I told you that there must be some method because we are not able to solve the linear equation 2 barrel by the usual method. So this is the method. This method is called as the graphical method. Clear? So we'll use the graphical method to plot the graph. Let's start. So let's take an equation first. Okay. So my equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Now I think you have understood it is linear equation 2 variable y because x power 1, 3 power 1, 6. Done? Okay. So now what you have to do? Right? How you have to do this? Remember, very important thing I am going to tell you. See, what you have to do is you have to make a box like this. Right? Okay. I think before this chapter you must be knowing everything about coordinate geometry and how to plot points. Right? So if not, you can see to the coordinate geometry video first. Okay? Okay. So first what we will see, 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So x will let something. X will let. This is a way of solving. So we will take x equal to 0. What will we take? X equal to 0. Now putting x equal to 0 in the equation, what we get? 2 into 0 plus 3y equal to 6. What does this do? It made the 2x one variable escape, right? So we are left only with one variable now because out of two variables, one variable has gone and we can easily find out the value, right? So we got one solution, that is 0, 2, the ordered pair x, y. Now the next time, once you made x 0, now it's turn for y to become 0. So here putting x equal to 0. So here you can write let x equal to 0. Now when x equal to 0, then y is 2. Right? So we got one solution. Now let y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, let's see what happens. 2 into x plus 3 into 0 equal to 6. Clear? So here 2x equal to 6. So x equal to what? 3. Clear? So x equal to 3. So we got again one value. Okay? Plotting these 2 points are very easy on the graph paper, right? That's what we will do. Chalo. First x is 0. Come on. X is 0, y is 2. X is 0. X is 0, y is 2. Where do we plot? We know we will start from origin. First is x. We won't travel anything in x. Next we'll travel in y. How much? 2. So this is the point that I was looking for. And how do we plot this? We name is at 0, 2. This is how we name it. Okay. Now x is 3. So we'll start everywhere from 0. 3 in horizontal direction. X is horizontal. So here we reached and then we go nowhere. So this. So these are the 2 points that we got, 0, 2 and 3, 0. Right? just take a scale and join both of them. Clear? Join both of them. Done? Okay, this is what you have to do. Clear? Easy, right? So this is the method of solving this question. Clear? If you join and if you then extend it, so you will get the solutions of the equation, right? This is the way. I have not drawn straight, but the straight line will give you the solutions. You can find more solutions. Let's see how. This is an easy method to plot the graph. You take once x equal to 0 and then you take y equal to 0. Is the easier method to draw the graph. Just put your scale straight. Now let's take x equal to 1. X equal to 1. So if we take x equal to 1, then what we obtain y? So we obtain 3y equal to 6 minus 2, which will come 4, and y equal to 4 by 3. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 4 by 3. Right? Chalo. X equal to 2. So when we take x equal to 2, so it will become 4. 4 plus 3y equal to 6. So we get 3y equal to 6 minus 4. So we get 2, y equal to 2 by 3. Clear? So we get here 2 by 3. Clear? As you can see here also 2 by 3 means less than 1. So here see, if x equal to 2, the y is somewhat over here. So you got your solution. Okay? That's what I was saying, कि once you plot this point and this point, means once on the x-axis and once on the y-axis. Remember now, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Clear? So x-axis 3 0 0 2. Just join both of them, you'll get your part. Clear? Understood? So you can, like this, you can take many solutions. You can get many solutions. Clear? So let's find some more. We'll draw more table. We'll try to get some integers as solution. So we'll take x equal to minus 1. We'll take x equal to minus 1. Let's put x equal to minus 1 in the equation. You let the value of one of the variable and you'll find the value of other variable when the x has a particular value. So here we have minus 2. Here we have 3y equal to 6. So 3y equal to becomes 8. Y becomes 8 by 3. Right? So we'll keep on getting the values. These all are my solutions. So what do you observe for linear equation in two variables? You observe that कि 0, 2 is also a solution. Is a solution. 3, 0 is also a solution. How? Because these two are satisfying my equation. Now put 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. Left hand side is 6. The same is right hand side 6. So this satisfied. So it is a solution. Now 3, 0. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 0 satisfies. So this is also a solution. Right? Right or not? Bas. Clear? Okay or not? Similarly, more values are there. We'll check for them also. Okay, 1, 4 by 3. 1, 4 by 3. Let's check for this also. So left hand side should come equal to right hand side, which is equal to 6. So instead of x we'll put 1, and instead of y we'll put 4 by 3. 3 cancel. So 2 plus 4, how much? 6. Isn't the RHS same? Right? So here also we obtained. Right? So you will have, this question will come that either you plot the graph, either you plot the graph So for plotting the graph, you will have to get the points first. That's what you will get the points by this method. Let x equal to something, then you get y for that. But try to use this 0 method first. Clear? Okay. Plot the graph or find solutions. The other type of question. So find solution. So you will do like this only. It will ask you find 4 solutions. So once you put x equal to 0, once you put y equal to 0, once you put x equal to 1, put x equal to 2, you can put any value. You can put any value. Clear? But take smaller values because you have to plot them also. Clear or not clear? Right? Okay. Now what we are observing, we observe that there are many solutions. There are many solutions of linear equation in 2 variable. Actually, there are infinite solutions of a linear equation in 2 variable. There are infinite solution of linear equation in 2 variable. Clear? Now how? Now let's see. I have an equation x equal to y. So we will write in the general form. How? X minus y equal to 0. The constant is 0. Right? There is no constant. So what we do? We plot the graph x, y. Clear? So if x is 0, y is also 0. Clear? So here x equal to 1. So let's put 1 minus y equal to 0. So y is also 1. Right? So if x equal to 2, y is also 2. X equal to 3, y is also 3. If x equal to 4, y is also 4. X equal to 5, y is also 5. It can go on because we have infinite numbers. So it can go on till infinity. Right? So if you plot the graph of this line, it will pass from 0, 0. This is point 1, comma 1. This is 2, comma 2. This is 3, comma 3. This is 4, comma 4. 5, comma 5. 6, comma 6. 7, comma 7. Minus 1, comma minus 1 because both are equal only. X equal to y now. So if put x equal to minus 1, y will be minus 1 only. Right? So what do you observe? If you join all these points, what do you observe? Right? Now do remember to give this sign. It is very important. Like very, very important. Because this line is not stopping. It can be extended in both the directions. So it is actually a line, right? Not a line segment. It is a line. So it can be extended in both the directions. So you have to give this arrow. We are not extending it because we have space constraint. But definitely it can be extended. So this is what these arrows indicate. So if these lines can go up to infinity, so we'll have infinite solution, right? So also if you draw a graph, very important point, graph of linear equation. Right, in two variable. Right, this is the graph. Remember, very important, all the points that lie on the graph of the linear equation are the solutions of the linear equation. So any point through which this line passes is a solution of the linear equation. Remember very nicely. So it passes through 1 1. So 1 1 is a solution. It passes through 2 2. 2 2 is a solution. 3 3 3 3 is a solution. 4 4 4 4 is a solution. 5 5 it is a solution. Clear? So every point that lies on, and this line can go up to infinity. So कितने solutions हो गए? Infinite solution, right? So we got 2 points over here. All the points that lie on the graph, है ना? So once you draw the graph, you can find infinite solution. Everywhere where you find any point, you keep your pen on the line, that is a solution, है ना? But do remember, always tell the coordinate, right, x comma y, that will be a solution. Only x will not be a solution. X comma y will be the solution. The value of x comma the value of y. Clear or not clear? Chal. Next, let's solve some more. One more question. So here 4x plus 3y equal to 24. So what you get? Again the same. So x and y you take. Put x equal to 0. What you will get? 3y equal to 24. 8, 16, 3 to 24. Clear? Now put y equal to 0. What you will get? 4x equal to 24. So 6. Clear? So bus, you just plot this point. X equal to 0, y equal to 8. Somewhat here. And value is 0, 8. Clear? Next, x equal to 6, y is 0. This is the point. 6, 0. Right? Just join both the points by a straight line. This will go further here. Every point, now when you draw on graph where there is a straight line, this is the method. Every point that lies on this will be a solution. So what we get? Infinite solutions have, and every point on the line or on the graph is a solution. And mind my word, I am saying a line. I am never said a line segment. Whatever you obtained is a line, and line can be extended in both the directions. Remember this. Clear? Okay. Now, what is the equation of x-axis? Right? How will you draw the graph of x-axis? Right? So, x-axis. This is x-axis. So, to draw a graph is not, because the graph is already drawn. This is the x-axis. But tell me, if you want to write the solutions of x-axis, right? So how will you write? Value, all the value on the x-axis, we know that value of y is 0. So if this, I told now, all the points that lie on the line are the solution of x-axis. So see, 1, 0 lies on the line. Yes. 2, 0 lies on the line. Yes. 3, 0 lies on the line. Yes. 4, 0 lies on the line. So these all are the solutions of x-axis. Even -1, 0, right? So what you're seeing, despite the values of x changing, despite x values changing, the value of y is same. Y value is 0, right? So even if you take y equal to 10 lakh, even if you take x equal to 10 lakh, y will be 0. So the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Remember this. Why? Because despite we take any value on the x-axis, the value of y will be 0 only. So the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Similarly for y-axis, despite any point we take, the x value will be 0 only. 0, 1, 0, -1. The equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Clear? Right or not? So this is what is in this. Clear? Okay. One more question. Clear? What is the equation of x equal to 2? The equation is given x equal to 2. How will you draw a graph for this? Here you have x, y. No, it is saying x equal to 2. Now it is a universal truth. Now because it is saying x equal to 2, so x equal to 2, y equal to 1, right? And you have to draw the graph of x equal to 2. Now this is also, this is one variable, linear equation one variable, but this is also a variable. So we have x equal to 2, y equal to 1, right? You have x equal to 2, y equal to 2. You have x equal to 3, y equal to, sorry, x cannot be equal to 3 because x is equal to 2. You have x equal to 2, y equal to 4. Despite any value of y, the value of x will be 2. This is what is saying in the question. Value of x equal to 2. So chalo, let's plot it. X equal to 2, y equal to 1. X equal to 2, y equal to 2. X equal to 3, y equal to 2. Right? X equal to 4, y equal to 2. X equal to 2, y equal to 4. Right? We'll keep on going like this forever. Here also x equal to 2, y equal to -1, -2. So what we are getting? We are getting a line which is parallel to the y-axis. So x equal to 2 gives a line parallel to x-axis at a horizontal distance of 2 units. Because this distance is what? Horizontal distance, how much? 2 units. So by seeing x equal to 2, you can easily draw the graph. The graph will be parallel to x-axis. Sorry, parallel to y-axis. Why I am saying x-axis? Parallel to y-axis. This is y-axis, y-axis at a horizontal distance of 2 units. Clear? right? Similarly, now y equal to 3, right? Or you can say chalo minus 3. So here y equal to minus 3. Despite what value you take of x, y will be minus 3. Minus 3, 2. Minus 3, 3. Right? So let's plot it. Y equal to minus 3. Right here. Minus 3, comma 1. Here. Minus 3, comma 2. Minus 3, comma 3. I'll use some other color. Okay. These are the points. More we can add. X, y. X is, can be anything. Right? X can be minus 1. But y will not change. Y will be minus 3 only. So this point, this point, this point. So what do you get? Right? So this is graph of the equation y equal to minus 3. Right? So again, y equal to minus 3 gives a line parallel to x-axis at 3 unit distance, but because it is minus 3, downwards. If it would have been plus 3, then at 3 unit distance, but upwards. Are you getting clear? So this is how we plot graphs and this is how we do it. Clear? But this is the thing, nothing else in this chapter. This is how you have to do. One more thing is there, which is word problems, and we'll deal word problems separately in another video tomorrow. We'll cover all the word problems together. Right? Thank you.